Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. Tonight, it's actually Sunday night, and it's a little late here. It's actually 10:44. I'm actually doing the video a little late tonight. I sort of overslept today. No, not overslept. I took a nap, and so I think I'm gonna be okay. Well, anyway, so today we're gonna do an unboxing from a company called Enablers Outpost. And yeah, so let's open this baby up. It has a picture of the beautiful painting at the bottom of the box. This one, oops, let's see if I can get this open. This one is called Springtime. Oh wait, I think it has, oh wait, I need a pair of scissors. Where are my scissors when you need them? Of course. Let's see. Hopefully this will work. Sorry about that, guys. Should have opened this earlier, but I did not see that. Okay. All right. I wonder I couldn't open it. Oh, look at this. Some washi tape. Okay. All right. Sorry, Bella. Okay, let's get everything out of here. Okay, and oh, I think the toolkit. I think you get to select if you want a toolkit or not. And I guess I must have said yes. All right, so this, like I said, is called Springtime. And it's actually the cropped version. There's actually a bigger one, but I decided to get the smaller one. Okay, so let's see what's in the kit. So we've got a tray. We've got a diamond pen. Get everything out of here. Okay. So we got a diamond pen with a single placer. And then you have another one. This is a 4 multi-placer. And this is a 7. Okay. And this is what you call a comfort grip. This slides on the pen, and this is supposed to help with your hands. Okay. There's some wax in here, blue wax. And then you have some tweezers and some washi tape, which is pretty cool because I believe that's the owners. Look at them. Very cute. Okay, so you basically have everything you need if you are a beginner. All right, so let's see what we have here. Here are the drills. Well, let's see. Actually, let's go straight to the painting. So the canvas is sort of soft. Okay, and by the way, this is legally licensed artwork. Okay, so I'm just gonna, oh wait, there's a sticker sheet in here. Ooh, big. Wow, look at the sticker sheet, guys. So this is called Springtime, and this you could actually put in your logbook. And there they go again. Look how adorable they are. Okay, so you put the start date and then you put the end date. This is a square. And look how cool these pre-cut stickers are. So you could actually put these on the baggies, or you could put them, I think actually you don't need to put these on the baggies. You can actually put these on the container. So just by looking at it, you have alphabet, uppercase letters, and you have lowercase letters. You have a little bit of everything. And I believe this one has, it's 66 colors. And let's see, the ZC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess those are all the special drills. And I believe there's 6 shimmer drills in this. So those are the 6 shimmer drills, which is probably the same thing as fairy dust diamonds. I'm not sure. I have to see them. Okay, so let's move this aside. And now let's go to the painting. Now, like I said, it's sort of soft. It comes with scallop edges, and it also has the pinholes, which prevents from the painting of the canvas falling apart from framing. All right, so I'm going to, wow, this is actually a very good size. Nice, it's a portrait. Okay. I'm just gonna do this to try to flatten it a little bit because it has been in a box for a while. Okay, and here we have a legend. And here's the picture. And it is 49 centimeters by 63.5 centimeters. Again, the legend has 3 rows. The first row, it tells you there's 66 colors. And in the middle row are the symbols, and that's what you're going to find on the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And then the third row are the DMC code. Right? And let's unroll this baby. Wow. It's very, very clear, guys. Let me move this back. We don't need that glare. Wow. She's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, sorry about that. That's Bella. And then on the top here, you have their logo again, Enablers Outpost. You have another legend on the left-hand side. And then it's called Springtime. And by the way, the artist is called Indicreates. Indicreates, get it? Because she creates. But she likes to be called Indie. And she is a full-time and independent artist and illustrator. She also has experience on working on book illustrations and game art. And she's also beginning to dabble a little bit with oil painting. Okay, so let's see. Let's look at the plastic here. The plastic, wow, guys, just the way I like it. Nice and thick. Very, very clear. Let's see if I can find a better picture so you guys can see it, which I should have done that. I apologize. Let's see. Let me just look for it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here's a better picture. I don't know if you can see, but look how beautiful she is. And it looks like she has one blue eye and one sort of purple or lilac eye. And she has, so here she has a blue eye. Here she has like a purple eye, very light, maybe like a lilac. Who had a purple eyes? Wasn't it Elizabeth Taylor? And just beautiful mouth. Let's see. She has this beautiful red hair, but then it has like a little bit of like golden highlights here. I don't know if it's the light hitting her hair. It's sort of over here also. And a little bit over here. And then she's basically, it looks like she's got some flowers up here on her head. And then you have a little bit of the background here. So I'm not sure if that's the sky. And her lips are like sort of shiny. They're like pink here, or shine around it. So pretty. Like I said, they do have a bigger version of this, but I decided that I wanted the smaller version. And yeah, so I'm going to pick it up so you can see. It's very, very clear. Look at that. And as you can see, it's got confetti and color blocking. A lot of confetti on her hair. So that means you're going to have to be changing the drills a lot, which I don't mind. And then she's got more color blocking on her face. So as you can see, let me show you this one here. See? This is basically the same color drill on her face. Big, big eyes, and she has very like dreamy eyes. Sort of like what they call it, I think, bedroom eyes. Yeah, very pretty. Okay, let me just bring her up so you can see those eyes. Look at that. And her mouth, and the flowers, and let's see, and these flowers up here. All right, so now we're gonna fold her, and I'm gonna see if I can look at the colors here very quickly. There's just too many. I'm not going to attempt to take these out, but I will take out the special ones, the special drills, the shimmer drills, so we can figure out where they go. But just looking at this, so you have white, you have blues, you have yellows, you have pinks, you have peachy colors, purples. Wow. You have like salmon, pinks, reds. You have like every color that you can think of in here. Not too many blues and greens, which I love, but I mean, I love blues and greens, but yeah, lots of reds and pinks. All right, so let's take this out. Sorry about the noise. And I think I did mention this is a square. Okay, you have another inventory list here, which is nice. Again, it just tells you how many colors, 66, the symbols, and so on. All right. So let's just move that aside. And These are these baggies. They're like Ziploc little baggies, which is nice. But as you can see, it has the number on it, and it also has the DMC, which is nice. So you could actually leave them in here if you don't want to, you know, put them in containers. So let's see, how many did we say? 6, right? 6 special drills starting from 61. So there you go. And 61. I'm trying to hurry because Bella is very quiet and my mom went to bed. So when Bella's very quiet, she's up to something. Okay, she's up to no good. All right, so this one is 61, which the color is 209. Let me make sure. Yep. Yeah. 209 is the DMC color on this. Let me make sure. Just want to always make sure. Yeah, this helps me better actually. 209. As you can see, is a purple, and these are actually fairy dust diamonds. So fairy dust diamonds, but they call them shimmer drills, are basically, I believe it has mica embedded in them. So it has like a slight shine to them, which is perfect. It's a very pretty light purple. Okay, and then the next one is, this one is 444. It's a very pretty yellow. It's like a very happy yellow. And then this one is 701. It's a very pretty green. Not too many of those. This one is, I believe, 3805. Very pretty pink. This one is 3844. It's a blue color. And the last one is 3865. It's white. All right, so we're gonna see where these drills are in the painting. Let's move this out of the way because I need the space. Let's see. All right, so this one is Shimmer Drill 209. If you look at the legend, it tells you what symbol it is, and it's a symbol that looks like a, I think, Mercedes, the Mercedes sign. Okay, I see it already. It's all over here on the flower, on her hair. More over here. Maybe those are the petals. We also have it here on the flowers. And here on her hair. Nope. Let's see. A little bit here, 2 here, and again on the flower up here. Okay. So the next one is this pretty yellow, and this is two slash lines. Okay, I see it over here. It's on her hair. Over here, it's that bright yellow on her hair that we were talking about, where it looks like the light is hitting it right there, and it's also in the middle of the flower. You have a little bit on the side of her eyes, a little bit over here on the side of her hair, and that is Bella. And then up here on the flower. Are you playing with your toys? Okay, and then this one is 701, and this is the letter S. Not too many of these, so let's see. Wherever we see this green color, oh, right over here. It's right over here. Okay, very little of that over here in the middle of the flower. Okay, Bella, I can't play with you, my love, right now. She brings me toys. She's very sweet. Okay, and then this one is 305, and this is the dot. I'm almost finished, my love, okay? Okay, you have some over here. Oh, a lot on her lips. Right there on her lips. Some over here. Oh no, yeah, some on her eye. And over here, I believe that's a flower. Okay. So this one sprinkled a little bit of everywhere, but mostly on her lips, on her mouth. All right, this one is the letter N, which is 3844. Okay, right there on her eye. And I believe it's going to be here. Yep. On this flower. And some sprinkled over here on that flower. Okay, this is perfect. Love it. And then this one is 3865 Shimmer Drill, and it's an arrow pointing to the top left. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. Where are you? Oh, I thought it was going to be there, but it's not. Move these out of the way. That's odd. I see it. It's right over here. Again, on the flower. And then some over here. Around, I believe that's around her hair. And some here. And yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope you love her as much as I do. I think it's a perfect size. It's a beautiful painting. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye, and thank you.